Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Analytics with Mahendra. If you are starting with Excel or want to strengthen your basics, this video is for you. Today we will cover Excel basic formulas part 1 which are used daily in real jobs. First is sum. So if we want the total product cost for overall data here, then we'll use sum of the product cost, which I'm doing it. So total product cost is 83848.44. Now if we need average, then we'll write average and then select this all product cost here, then close the brackets. And if we want the count of the product equal to count, then we'll use count here. Total product are 55 here. One is blank, total is 56, one is blank. What if we needed the we need to count the blank as well? So for that we can use count blank. How many blanks are there in particular product? So these are the we can use count blank here. See, one blank is there, which is this. It's showing the count of product is 1 and 55 is the product where the numbers are there. The next one is minimum product cost. How we can get the minimum product cost here? It's a simple function here. We can use min function. Then select the min. See, 11.41 is this, which is showing the minimum value here. And what is the maximum? We can simply use max here. And after that we can use if function. Either this cell is reseller or not. This is a simple if function I'm telling you. If this cell is particularly a reseller or not, I will see. I will check the logic here. If this equal to reseller, then it will show 1, else 0. So it's showing 1, that means the logic is true. Then we can simply go for the if error equal to if error 1 divided by 0 comma whatever we have to give the value 0 something. If you want some text here, you can simply give the text. If there will be any error calculating the formula, it will give us. If there will be any error, what should you give here? That it will throw here. And then this is the date function, which is today. We can simply use today. If we need only the date here, then we can use needed for the today's date. We can use simply today function. If we need date with time, then we can go for now function. It will throw the date and the time for the particular uh, for the current day, time and date. That's all. These are the most important foundation formulas in Excel. This is the part 1. In part 2, we'll cover some text formulas, date formatting, lookup, VLOOKUP, data cleaning basics. Please like, share, and subscribe.